Indonesia's legal system rests firmly on the foundation of its constitution. This document, known as the Undang-Undang Dasar 1945, outlines the fundamental principles guiding the nation. It establishes the framework for governance, delineates the rights and responsibilities of citizens, and enshrines the values that shape Indonesian society. Constitutional law, therefore, is the key to understanding how power is structured and exercised in Indonesia. It delves into the intricate relationship between the executive, legislative, and judicial branches, ensuring a system of checks and balances. This field of study is crucial for anyone seeking to comprehend the complexities of Indonesian governance. Studying constitutional law is not merely an academic pursuit, it is an act of citizenship. By understanding the Constitution, citizens become empowered to hold their leaders accountable. They gain the knowledge to advocate for their rights and participate meaningfully in the democratic process. In a nation as diverse and dynamic as Indonesia, constitutional law serves as a unifying force. It provides a common framework for resolving disputes, protecting minority rights, and ensuring that the principles of justice and equality prevail. The study of constitutional law in Indonesia serves several crucial objectives. Primarily, it aims to equip individuals with a comprehensive understanding of the nation's constitution. This includes its history, its underlying principles, and its practical implications for daily life. Students of constitutional law delve into the intricacies of the Indonesian government structure. They examine the roles and responsibilities of the President, the People's Consultative Assembly, the House of Representatives, and the judiciary. This understanding is essential for informed civic engagement. Furthermore, the course emphasizes the fundamental rights and freedoms guaranteed to all Indonesian citizens. These include the right to life, liberty, and security of person, freedom of speech and assembly, and the right to education and healthcare. Understanding these rights is paramount for individuals to seek protection under the law. Ultimately, the study of constitutional law cultivates a sense of civic responsibility among students. By comprehending the principles of democratic governance and the rule of law, individuals become better equipped to contribute to a just and equitable society. The curriculum for constitutional law in Indonesian universities is designed to provide a comprehensive overview of this crucial field. Students embark on a journey that begins with the historical foundations of the Indonesian constitution. They explore its evolution, from its inception in 1945 to the present day. A significant portion of the course is dedicated to the analysis of fundamental human rights and freedoms enshrined in the Constitution. Students examine landmark legal cases and contemporary issues to understand how these rights are protected and sometimes challenged in practice. The complexities of the Indonesian governmental structure form another cornerstone of the curriculum. Students gain a deep understanding of the relationship between the executive, legislative, and judicial branches. They analyze the system of checks and balances that prevents any one branch from accumulating excessive power. The course also delves into specialized topics like constitutional amendments, regional autonomy, and the relationship between the central government and regional administrations. These subjects are crucial for comprehending the dynamic interplay of power within the Indonesian archipelago. The teaching of constitutional law in Indonesian universities employs a multifaceted approach to impart knowledge effectively. Traditional lectures provide students with a solid theoretical foundation, while interactive seminars and discussions encourage critical thinking and debate. Case studies, drawn from real-world legal battles, provide practical insights into the application of constitutional principles. Moot court competitions allow students to step into the shoes of legal professionals, honing their advocacy skills in a simulated courtroom environment. Graduates with a strong foundation in constitutional law have a wide array of career paths to choose from. Many opt for careers in government, serving in ministries, agencies, or legislative bodies. Their expertise is invaluable in shaping policies and legislation that adhere to constitutional principles. The judiciary welcomes graduates with open arms. Aspiring judges, prosecutors, and public defenders find their understanding of constitutional law to be indispensable in upholding the law and ensuring justice for all. Academia offers another fulfilling path for graduates passionate about research and teaching. As scholars of constitutional law, they contribute to the ongoing discourse surrounding this dynamic field, shaping the minds of future legal professionals.